Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm the tech lead for the DIY Ventilators Scouts team. And I'm just going to quickly pitch all the work that we did this weekend. So we, a team of data scientists, engineers, 3D printing enthusiasts, developed a chatbot to help engineers build DIY ventilators through giving it instructions, telling them the list of components they need, where they can source these components. One of the challenges that we faced was collecting all this data, so we would really urge everybody to get on board once they hear this pitch to find out how the best way to contribute would be, because this information is really vital in order to build these life-saving DIY ventilators. I just want to introduce the team really quickly. Anna will be giving the live pitch later on, but we've had people from all over the world, from Australia, from the USA, Singapore, France, Spain, and like I said, a mixture of different backgrounds, and every single individual has contributed to the hackathon. It's quickly going to demo the result. It's a chatbot and Telegram right now. It takes a little bit of time to activate, but once it gets started, engages the user by asking the name, the location, which their occupation. This has been designed mainly for engineers. So as you can see, we have two ventilators that we have compiled and fed into the chatbot, and they're both DIY, the pandemic ventilator and the NXP ventilator, and happy to share more information to those who are interested. And then we ask a series of and then the engineer can pick which ventilator they're interested in, what sort of information we have about the ventilator, so what it is, what kind of materials do they need, where can they obtain the materials,